Let's start growing lithops. Nice pot for lithops. Trim the root 0.5 centimeters. Let's go! Akadama as the base. Add a recipe of potting mix. Best for lithops rooting and growth. Gently position lithops on the soil surface. Don't bury lithops completely. Keep tops above soil slightly. Lastly, use the tiny spoon put the topping. Ensure the lithops are positioned correctly. Put the pot in a sunny spot with indirect sunlight.